objectives. We decide material aids. In material aids, we count suitable pictures. In suitable pictures, suitable audiovisual aids, suitable cassettes, CDs, etc. we collect to teach a poetry lesson. Regarding the previous knowledge, according to the standard of the students, previous experiences are count there, previous teaching of poetry is count there, most suitable methods is also count there. Now considering the introduction part, we start by reciting a parallel poem. Why we take it? We take it to make the students' understanding more concrete and more parallel in any other way. So, explain situation under which the poem is taught. First of all, a teacher explained general introduction regarding the poem and write the words depicted in that poem. He write on the blackboard, he pronounce all the students recite the words one by one and then make it a practice. So this question should be asked one by one to each student, and then after answering the student section, the teacher select the teaching aids, select the statement of aim. The teacher will declare the topic after selection of the poem, and then he starts model reading. Model reading is what? All the students listen silently in the class, see in their books and see every pronunciation of difficult words. Then the teacher recite the poem. Teacher takes the poem very slowly. He speak or she speak the difficult words separately one by one, A, E, I, O, U, every voice. The teacher segregates from each word and pronounce it well. For model reading, the teacher pronounce every line, every sentence, makes illustrations, give examples, make some simple sentences based on that particular poem, and answer each and every para, each and every step that is countable, that is encountered in that poem.